Ka principal juga St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School Sister Maria A. Thapa. Haba kran syakilar pathai Khubor kalau ong bakadap da kajingkemen haba baro shispa henriungut ki khana ki balaya khun yaka exam SSLC kila pas bha bat hadu henriungut kila poi haka top 10 bat kini ki kentup haka kerdan bandingkong bahnriu bahnyau khatway khatnyau bat khat khandai.
Yes, at the start, many teachers were around here. I saw some teachers crying, even shedding tears out of joy. So it's a matter of pride for us. And we are very happy that we got 7 positions in the state. And our neighboring school, who are our sister school, like Little Flower and Stephen Memorial too, has received 2 ranks and 1 there. So overall, we have 10 ranks in our province.
So what is your message to
Work.
teacher?
There is no other substitute to hard work. So you have to have sleepless nights. You have to put extra efforts. You have to forego your games, mobile games or whatever games you want to play, and you have to put effort. Then you will get good result. 106 of them wrote, all of them passed. Yeah.